data given is regarding number of emails received by 5 servers ABCD on 1st June. Need numbers A, B, C, D, E. Come on, first one 760. Next one 800, 960, 1000, 1240. 20% of emails received by server E, 20% 248. 30% number of emails received by B were spam. 30% of B, which is 240. Total number of spam emails received by B and E together, sum of both the numbers, 488. Number of emails received by C is what percent more than emails received by B? C is how much more? 160 more. From 160 out of 800, 10% of the denominator 80, numerator is exactly double. What is the average number of emails received by B, C, E together? B and C and E. C plus E, 2200 plus 800, 3000 by 3000, first option. What is the ratio between total number of emails received by AB together? 1560. Emails received by E, 1240. 0 cancel. Come on. Right, your first number is 3 multiple, but not 9 multiple, but not 9 multiple. Second number is not a multiple of 3. Come on. So first number in answer must be 3 multiple. Can it be first option? Second, third, fourth? No, this is 9 multiple. Answer should be only 3 multiple. It cannot be 9 multiple. Fifth option? No, there is only one. Number of emails received on 2nd June 2019 by server C is 30% more than that received by the same server on 1st June 2019. What is the number of emails received by C on June 2nd, 2019? 30% more. 10%? Can I treat it as 4 less than 100? 3 times of that number will be 300 minus 12, 288. Answer will be 1248. Last digit also works. Come on. Which cube is this? 16. And this is 12. Minus x square goes to the other side. Right hand side number comes left hand side, becomes minus 125. Already minus 3. Minus 128. 16 12 times. 192 minus 128, 64, 8 square. Clear? Right. This is it. There are 2 digits after decimal. So here also I want to have 2 digits after decimal. So this I'll write it as 10 power 9 into 24.34. Is that okay? 10 power 9 is here, 10 power 9 is here, taken common. 24.34, 15.66, 40. Come on. 8 into 10 power 6 is equal to 10 power x into 5. 8, 5 times, 5 cancel. 10 power 9 by 10 power 6, 10 cube. X is 3. X is here. Take this negative number to right hand side. Right hand side, under root of 12, 96. 36. Minus 251 goes to the other side. Plus 251. What is the other number? 287 is equal to 82 into 7 by x. Correct? 7 41 times 41, x is equal to 2. 12, 3 times 3, 5.5 times, plus 80.9, 86.4 divided by 2.5 comes to left hand side, becomes into 2.5. That I'll write it as 10 by 4. 10 and decimal gets cancelled. 864 can be written as 216. Which cube is that? 6 cube. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. 16 into 1 by 4. 4. 16 plus 4. Numerator is 20 divided by. 7.5 can be written as 15 by 2, which comes to numerator. And then divided by x is there. Denominator and denominator comes to numerator. Under root. To eliminate that square on both sides, right hand side becomes 4. 4. 5 times 5. 3 times 2 by 3 goes to the other side, becomes 3 by 2, which is 1.5. Are you okay? X goes to the other side and this number goes to left hand side denominator. 5.5. Can I write it as 11 by 2? 1595 by 11 by 2 minus 185, and this number is divided by 819 divided by 39 goes to the other side. 39 by 819. 11 cancellation. 145. 2 times 290 minus 105. 185. 290 minus 185. 105 into 39 divided by 819. Clear? Right. 7 15 times 7 1 1 7 times. 39 3 times. Answer 5. Third option. 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. 1/4 of this number 960 divided by under root of 5.76. 2.4. Can I write it as 24 by 10? Under root value. Is it okay? 24 how many times? 400 times. Under root of 400? 20. Correct? 20 is equal to 35 by 2 divided by x by 8 can be written as into 8 by x. 2, 4 times 4, 5 times 5, 7 by x is 1, then x is 7. 1 3 by 4, 7 by 4 into 1608. This number goes to right hand side and right hand side number comes to left hand side. Are you okay? This is equal to 35%. 35 into 1% value 54.6 divided by x. 440 times 7 into 400 2800. 2 into 7 14 minus 2177. Let me calculate this value. This is how much more than 600? 2600. Sorry, how much more than 2200? 614. This is how much less than 2200? 23. Sum of both the numbers 637 is equal to this number only. Then x value will be 35 into 54.6 divided by 637. Come on. Right. Answer must be 3 multiple. In your numerator, do you have 3 multiple? 54.6. Is it a 3 multiple? In denominator, do we have 3 multiple? Answer must be 3 multiple. How many? Only one. Fourth option, final answer. This entire number goes to right hand side. Right hand side 0.5, I'll write it as 1 by 2 into 25%, 1 by 4 into 249 minus 22, 3 by 4. Yes? 4, 6 times, 2 times, 1 by 4. Is that okay? How much you need to subtract now? 22. Let's subtract 22 first. Otherwise, subtract 23. Add 1 by 4 later. Subtract 23. 39. And add 1 by 4. 39, 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. 39, 1 by 2. 39 2 times. 78 plus 1. 79 by. Already we have half of this number, right? So can I write numerator 79 as 80 minus 1? 80 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Answer 19.75. Got it? 125 plus 65. 190 into divided by 38 into 400 is equal to 19 into 2 power something. Correct? First of all, 0, 0 cancel. 19, 19 cancel. 38. 17, 19 2 times. 19 5 times. 5 8 times. What is denominator? 2 power? 2 power? 2 power? That can be written as 2 power minus 4 is equal to 2 power x. X is equal to minus 4. That is in denominator. 1 by 2 power 4, we are able to write it as 2 power minus 4. Simplify mixed fraction to improper. 169 plus 56. 225. Come on. Under root of 225 divided by under root of 169 into 75 9 times. 675 plus 1. 676 under root 26 by root 9 into 3 by 5. 18 by 3 5 is 15. 15 cancel. 13 2 times. Answer 36. If we treat it as 0.32 as A and 0.18 as B, this is A square plus B square minus 2AB. 0.36 we can write it as 2 into 0.18. It is in the form of A square minus B square minus 2AB. A minus B whole square. What is A? 0.32. B 0.18. Difference 0.14 whole square. 0.14 whole square. 14 square. Original number has 2 digits after decimal. Square should have 4 digits after decimal. So you should write it as 0.0196. Take x divided by 5 to left hand side. 112 minus. This entire number goes to right hand side. Becomes minus. Are you okay? Under root of 85 plus root 3600 plus root 576. Total value 169. Root 169. 112 minus 13. Then x is equal to into 5 times only. 100 times and half minus 1 time only. Otherwise 5 times in the sense 10 times. 10 times minus 10 times and then make it half. 100 times of 5. 500 minus 5. 495. Left hand side 16 square plus 16 square. 256. Divided by 225 into 225 divided by 11.25 comes to the other side. Are you okay? Then it comes in 225 comes in denominator into 11.25, I'll write it as 11, 1 by 4, 45 by 45 divided by 4. 45 5 times. Come on. Numerator 325. 325 divided by 4 into 5 kada 20. 16.25. Don't change 0. Cancellation with 2. 162.5 divided by 10. 16.25. 2 plus 8. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 I'll write it as 2 by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4. So this entire value is 10, 3 by 4, which is equal to 43 by 4. 8, 1 by 16, 81 by 16 can be written as into 16 by 81. Are you fine? Divided by 81 by 16. We are writing it as into 16 by 81. Are you fine? Plus 6, 1 by 9. 4 times. Numerator 43 4 times. 172 by 81. 81 2 times. 162. 10 by 81. Plus ఏంటిది? కరెక్ట్. ఇది తప్పు కదా? 8 18 times 8 16 times 64 2 times 128 plus 1 129. So here it will be 129. 43 3 times 4 4 times 4 by 3 can be written as 1 1 by 3. 1 by 3 I'll write it as 1 3 by 9 plus 6 1 by 9 7 4 by 9. Yes. A rectangular plot of park of length and breadth in the ratio 9:7. Area of the square is 196 square centimeters, whose side is equal to breadth of the rectangle. So side of the square is equal to 14, which is equal to breadth. Breadth is 7 parts. If 7 parts is 14, 1 part is 2, length is 9 parts, that will be 18. Find the sum of perimeter of the square and then rectangle. Square perimeter 4a, 4 into 14, 56. Rectangle perimeter 2 times of L plus B. L plus B is 32. 2 times of it 64. Answer 120. AB started a business with an investment of 7,500, 8,500 respectively, and their time period ratio is 6:5. After 6 months from the start of the business, C joined with an investment of 9,000 for 18 months. Investments are having 2 zeros common, so I'll write 75, 85, 90. You know, time period of C, he invested for 18 months. The total profit at the end of 2 years, business happened for 2 years. How many months? 24 months. 15,360 is the total profit. Then find the average share of B and C together. Note, A invested for entire business. So A is there from the beginning till the end, 24 months. AB investments period 6:5. 6 parts is 24. 1 part 4, 5 parts 20. Okay. Everywhere you have 5 multiple and 2 multiple, which is 10 multiple. Take 5 from here, 15. Take 2 from here, 12. 0, 0, cancel. 5 into 2 will give you 10. Second number, third number has 10 directly. First number doesn't have 10. So I am cancelling 5 and then 2. Are you okay with this? Right. Next again you have even number 6 times, even 9 times, 15 6 times, 90, 85, 81. You got it? Total profit is 15,360. 15,360 is divided into 90, 85, 81. Correct? 80, 80, 160, 90, 250 plus 6 divided by 256 will give you one part. Question is about average of B and C. Average of B and C, sum is 166, average is 83. 256 6 times and then is 0. You have 0, you will get 0. 6 into 3 ends with 8. Answer must end with 80. How many options are there? How many? 2 options. You have 60, which is a 3 multiple. Is it a 3 multiple? 9, 4 plus 8, 12. Is it a 3 multiple? Yes. 9, 5 plus 8, 13. Is that a 3 multiple? Can this be your answer? No. Second option final. Following. The ratio of ages of A, B are in the ratio 8:7 and C is 1/3 of the age of B. The sum of ages of A, C is 93. Then what will be the sum of ages of A, B, C after 9 years? C's age is 1/3 of B's age. So upon B's age, you should be able to calculate 1/3, right? That means B age should be 3 multiple. How many parts do we have for B? But you know that it has to be 3 multiple. Because that is not 3 multiple, let's multiply it with 3. A 24, B 21, C is 1/3 of it, 7. These are ABC ages. Sum of A and C is 93. Sum of A and C is 31 parts. 31 parts is equals to 93. We were asked to calculate their ages sum after. Let us calculate present ages sum. We will do that later. 21 plus 7, 28 plus 24, 52 parts is equal to 31. How many times is 93? 3 times. 52 3 times. This will be sum of their present age. But we were asked to calculate sum of their ages after. That means for each person we have to add 9. 3 members we have to add. Add 27, 183. We don't have to calculate their present ages separately. Let's go with sum of their present ages and then add 21, 27. You'll get their ages after 9 years. Okay. Shopkeeper gets a profit of 33.33%. Fraction. 1/3 profit is getting on a keyboard of market price 180 and sold at a discount of 1/3. What is the cost price? Fine. Market price is how much fractional part of discount is offered? 1/3 discount, in the sense 60 discount offered. Then we are selling it at. Okay. How much profit is made? 1/3 profit. What is denominator? Let me take my cost price is equal to 3 parts. Then selling price. There is a profit of 1/3. 1/3 of 3 parts is 1 part profit. Then selling price will be 4 parts is equal to 120. 1 part 30. 3 parts 90. Question is about cost price. Followed. 8 men or 4 women can complete a work in 12 days. 8 men can do it in 12 days. 4 women also can do it in 12 days. Because time period is same, we can make their efficiencies equal. 8 men efficiency is equal to 4 women. From this, M by W is equal to 4 by 8. Simplified form. So men does 1 unit, women does 2 units. If 1 man do 1 unit, 8 men will do. 8 men takes how many days to complete the work? 8 into 12. 96 units is the total work. Can I do that? Come on. Now, 1 woman does. 4 women does. And in 12 days they'll do 8 into 12. 96 units is our total work. You can calculate total work through either man or woman. Finally, we need total work which is equal to 96. In 8 days, 4 men and how many women can complete the work? In 8, how many days they wanted to complete it now? Then per day they should do divided by 8, which is equal to 12 units. Am I right? Per day they should do 12 units. Already how many men are there? Come on. 4 men are already there. 1 man does 1 unit. 4 men does 4 units work already men are doing. Let us assume we have X women. Each woman does 2 units. X woman does X into 2. Or I can write it as 2X units. 12 is equal to 4 plus 2X. 2X is equal to 8. X is equal to 4. So how many women should be there? 4 women. Clear? Clear? If a train crosses a pole in 25 seconds, crossed another train in 40 seconds. If the length of the second train is 170 meters less than the length of the first train, then find the speed of the train. Okay. Now, first case, train crosses it. So distance covered in that case will be train length. Do you know train length? No. How much time is it taking? Okay. So train to cover its own length is taking 25 seconds. Is it clear? Next case, it crosses another train. It crosses in how much time? How much more time is it taking? Why is it taking 15 seconds more time? Because of the length of second train. Agreed or not? If length of the second train is 170 meters less than the length of the first train, is it okay? Right. Now, train length 1. To cover train its own length, how much time is it taking? 25 seconds. To cover second train length, how much more time is it taking? 15 seconds. Correct? What is the time gap? What is the length difference? 1. Because of that 170 meters length less, it is taking 10 seconds less time. Can I conclude that? So, question is about speed. Distance by time. Distance difference 170 meters. Time difference. So, you will get speed in meter per second only. But we were asked to calculate in meter per second converted to kilometer per hour into 18 by 5. 0 cancel. 17 times of 18. Product of consecutive numbers. Small number square plus small number. Or big number square minus big number. Small number square. 289 plus small number. 306. Or big number square minus big number. 306. Come on. Divided by 5 in the sense divided by 10 into 2. 306 by 10. 30.6 into 2. 61.2 kilometer per hour. This information I have given for your understanding purpose. You don't have to write it. You can directly calculate distance difference and time difference. Got it? The ratio of speed of the boat in still water and speed of the stream are in the ratio 8:5. If the speed of the boat in downstream is 91 km per hour, M is to S is equal to 8:5. Downstream, M plus S. How many parts? 13 parts is equal to 91. From this, P is equal to 7. Find the distance traveled by the boat in upstream for 9 hours. Upstream speed, M minus S. 3 parts. 13 how many times is 91 you said? 7. 3 into 7. Upstream speed is 21. We were asked to calculate distance covered in how many hours? 21 9 times 189. Over. The average age of a class of 30 students is 18. Average age of boys is 22. The average age of girls is one more than half of boys average. Then find the number of boys in the class. Okay. How many people are there? 30. What is boys average? I am using allegation. Boys average, girls average we want to calculate, class average which is 18, boys to girls ratio. Question is about number of boys in the class. Total how many students are there? Answer is in option. Your answer is in options, right? Let us not calculate by treating variable x. Let me find out the answer through options. How many boys are there? If there are 20 boys, how many girls will be there? Come on, 10. So boys to girls ratio 2:2. What is difference here? If it is 4, it has to be difference between girls average and class average is 8. Then girls average should be 10. Correct? According to the condition, average age of girls is 1 more than half of boys average. What is boys average? Half 11 plus 1. Is that equals to girls average? Can your answer be a first option? No, leave it. If they are 18, girls must be ratio 3:2. Come on. 3 parts and then 2 parts. 2 parts is equal to, ఒక్క నిమిషం ఆగండి, అసలు ఇంత పంచాయతీ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం? సింపుల్గానే చేసేయచ్చు. Average age of girls is 1 more than half of boys average. Half of boys average 11. 1 more 12. 12 and 18 difference. 6:4 in the sense 3:2. 60%, 40%. 60% of 30. 40%, 12. Boys are 18. Answer to question కూడా అక్కడ డైరెక్ట్ చేసేయచ్చు. Next 64. There are 72 students in a class. Difference between boys and girls is 28. The ratio of number of boys and number of girls where boys are more than girls. Boys plus girls is boys minus girls. Boys are more than girls. Difference is 28. How do you get boys? Sum divided by 2. 100 by 2, 50. Number of girls are 22. Ratio between boys and girls 25, 11. 25 is to 11. Come on. What will be the difference between simple interest and compound interest on a sum of 8,000 for 2 years at 5% per annum? Difference between simple interest and compound interest for 2 years will be R square by 100% only, where R value is 5 square, 25 by 100, 1 by 4%, correct? That means I can write it as 1% divided by 4. What is 1% of the principal? 80 by 4, 80 by 4, 20. Over.